If you're looking for a modern and comfortable stay in Fuengirola with the convenience of apartment-style living, Aparthotel Ilunion Miramar is a great choice. Located right by the beachfront, this hotel offers stunning sea views and easy access to Fuengirola's lively promenade, filled with restaurants, bars and shops. The spacious apartments come with kitchenettes, air conditioning and private balconies, making them ideal for families and long-term stays. Rooms are clean, modern and well-equipped, offering a cozy home-away-from-home experience while still providing hotel-style services. The hotel features a large outdoor pool with plenty of sun lounges, perfect for relaxing after a day at the beach. There's also a fitness center, an on-site restaurant and a bar, serving a good selection of Mediterranean and international dishes. The location is one of its biggest highlights. You're within walking distance of Fuengirola's attractions, train station and nightlife, yet the hotel still offers a peaceful atmosphere for a relaxing getaway. If you're looking for a comfortable beachfront aparthotel in Fuengirola, Ilunion Miramar is a solid choice.